Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check your analytics on TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open TikTok application. Once you open TikTok application, then you need to click on profile in the right bottom corner. Then you need to click on three bars in the top right corner. And then you need to click on settings and privacy, and then you need to in account you will find the fourth option, analytics. Click on that. Here you can see that your all analytics, your engagement, your followers, your content. If you want to know more about, you can click on the arrow in the front of engagement, so you can see all your detailed analytics here. So this is a process by which you can check your analytics on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.